Hey guys, it's Sammy B, and today I'm going to be cutting my own hair. Oh my gosh. It's been almost 2 years since I've gotten a haircut, which is definitely my record. I've also never had my bangs grow out, and I just cut my bangs a little bit last Friday, so I kind of just went and it just went poof and it lifted them, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta do this to my whole head. I naturally have curly, hi Cicely. I have natural curly hair. It just hasn't really been curly lately. I think it's just kind of been dragged down a little bit. Let's just give it a go. Also, another reason why I'm doing this is because my hair essentially turns into dreads right after I shower and go to bed. When I wake up, like, I actually have dreads and it takes me like hours to comb my hair. I don't know if it's just because it's light, it's curly, it's just like the perfect recipe for dreads, and I'm really tired of that. And it's like, it's making me have really thin hair because every time I brush my hair I get like a clump of that much hair, and I'm just really tired of that, and it's really painful. So it's time to give myself layers, it's time to give myself some bangs, and I thought you guys might as well join me on this hopefully successful journey. So I got this Cici? I don't fucking know. Scissor kit from Amazon, and it comes with quite a few things. This is what it comes with. Scissors. This is not sponsored. Are you kidding me? I wouldn't be poor if I was sponsored. I think like thinning scissors, I've never used them before, so. It comes with like little hair clips, which I'll definitely need. It comes with a little comb, a little cleaning thing, and then this is to adjust the scissors or whatever. This is not a how-to, unless you like how it turns out, which it is gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna, ow! I'm gonna brush it. Oh my god! Okay, well, we got one tiny little bit of a layer. I don't want blunt at all. So if you're looking at this and you're like, oh my god, that's so uneven, that's kind of what I'm going for. It's supposed to be sort of like natural looking, you know, your hair grows at different lengths at different times. The back is gonna be so tricky. I'm just gonna wing it. Honestly, you're watching this for entertainment. You're not watching this as like a how-to. I am definitely not a hairdresser, so just sit back, relax, enjoy the show. I don't know how far down to go. Oh, definitely one more layer. Oh. Oh, I feel like my hair is too thin for this, honestly, but we're doing it anyways. We are doing it anyways. So it's already curling. It's already curling, and I haven't even like got it wet or anything yet. So this is what I mean. Like, it needs to be shorter. hate how hard it is to keep my hair like undreaded. It does seem fuller. It definitely seems fuller. And it seems like it's kind of lifting now, which is exactly what I want. I'm not doing it for volume. I'm literally doing it because I get dreads every single day and I'm so tired of it. This is the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like it. It does look short, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's shorter. It's definitely short, but sometimes you gotta cut it in order to grow it. So here we are. So guys, this is it cut. It's a lot more full, it's a lot more bouncy, it's got more volume, and I know that it's going to have more curl. It already does, honestly, in my opinion. I am very happy with it. It looks shorter than I expected, even though I expected it to look shorter, but I was comfortable cutting off as much as I did because it's necessary. So I will style my hair later today and show you what it looks like. Whee! Hey guys, so I just finished getting ready for the day and this is how my hair turned out. I didn't do any touch-ups with the scissors or anything like that. This is just from this morning when I cut it, when I showed you guys. So this is how it turned out. This is how I curled it. I curled it a little bit differently than how I usually do. So it might look a little bit fucked. But I love the way my hair turned out, honestly. I love the layers, I love the length. This would be, you know, the top layer, which isn't as short. I mean, my hair does look shorter in my opinion, but it just looks so much better. This is what it looks like. I don't even know what it looks like. So it's just like, it's so much more flowy and I think it looks incredible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a weird one, but at least it's content. Give it a thumbs up. That helps out a lot. Make sure you watch the whole video. That helps out a lot. Subscribe. Tell your friends, family, whoever the fuck, tell your strangers, coworkers to subscribe to my channel. Send them a link. Just be like, hey, subscribe to this chick. She's weird. And they'll be like, why? And you'll be like, I don't know, because she does have awesome videos. Oh, it's boobs. It's boobs. It's like don't cleavage. Tits and ass. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Why do I suck at ending videos so much?